Welcome to our channel. You lot think you can handle cooking like a pro, eh? Today, we're sharing 5 healthy, low-calorie recipes that are perfect for weight loss. Yeah, you heard me right, weight loss. No more excuses for serving up bland, boring salads. We're talking flavor-packed, satisfying dishes that'll have you slimming down without even realizing you're eating healthy. So put on your aprons, grab your knives, and let's get cooking.
All right, you donkey, listen up. First, we're tackling a classic, chicken and vegetables. But this ain't your nan's overcooked dry mess. We're gonna make it sing. Heat up that skillet like your life depends on it. Then add some olive oil and garlic. Don't even think about burning the garlic, you hear me? Now throw in the chicken, carrots and broccoli, a splash of water, then cover it up and let it work its magic. While that's going, mix some soy sauce and honey, sweet and savory, just the way I like it. Once the chicken's almost done, take the lid off and hit it with that soy sauce mix and some black pepper. Give it a good stir and let those flavors get to know each other. There you have it, a restaurant quality dish that won't leave you feeling like you need to loosen your belt. And the best part? It's only 320 calories. You can thank me later.
Next up, we're diving into a vibrant veggie stir-fry. Don't even think about skipping this one. You need your greens. Get a pot of water boiling like the fires of hell and season it generously with salt. We're blanching some green beans until they're al dente. Remember, no one likes soggy veg. While they're boiling, heat up some oil in your skillet. Garlic and onion go in first and keep them moving. We don't want any burnt bits, do we? Now it's time for the carrots and broccoli. A splash of water, cover it up and let it steam. Once the veggies are almost tender, toss in the green beans, peas, that magic soy sauce and honey mix, and a good crack of black pepper. Cook it until it's vibrant and slightly crisp. That's what we're looking for, some texture. There you go, a flavor explosion that's bursting with nutrients and clocks in at a measly 210 calories.
Chapter 3. Title: Chickpea, Spinach and Egg, 280 calories. Now we're cooking some eggs. Boil them for a solid 12 minutes. Don't you dare undercook them. While they're cooling, we're moving on to the star of the show, chickpeas. These little beauties are packed with protein and fiber, keeping you fuller for longer. Get your pan smoking hot and add some oil. Then throw in the garlic, chopped tomatoes, cumin, curry powder, salt and pepper. We're creating a flavor base that'll blow your mind. Now it's time for the chickpeas and a squeeze of lemon juice. Let it simmer until it thickens up. Throw in some fresh parsley and spinach, wilt it slightly and we're almost there. Finally, top it with those perfectly boiled eggs. This dish is a flavor bomb, it's healthy, and it's only 280 calories. You lot better be taking notes.
Chapter 4. Title: White Bean Salad, 210 calories. Listen up, you Muppets. Salad doesn't have to be boring. We're ditching the limp lettuce and creating a flavor fiesta with this white bean salad. Combine crisp lettuce, juicy cherry tomatoes, crunchy red bell pepper, refreshing cucumber, protein-packed white beans, and salty olives in a large bowl. Now, for the dressing. Don't even think about using that bottled rubbish. Whisk together some tangy white vinegar, olive oil, Dijon mustard, salt, and pepper. Pour that dressing over the salad and give it a good toss. This salad is a flavor explosion in your mouth, and it's only 210 calories.
Chapter 5. Title: Tuna Pasta Salad, 320 calories. Last but not least, we're tackling a classic tuna pasta salad. But this ain't your average, bland, mayo-drenched disappointment. We're elevating it with fresh flavors and healthy ingredients. Cook your pasta al dente. No excuses for mushy pasta in my kitchen. While it's cooking, chop up some cucumber, red bell pepper, and green onion. Once the pasta is cooked, combine it with those vibrant veggies, some protein-packed tuna, and sweet peas. Now for the dressing. Whisk together some olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and a touch of honey for sweetness. Pour it over the salad, season it generously with salt and pepper, and give it a good toss to coat. This light and refreshing salad is packed with flavor and protein, making it the perfect healthy meal. And the best part? It's only 320 calories. You're welcome.
Right, you lot, we've cooked up a storm today. 5 incredible, healthy, low-calorie recipes that'll have you slimming down in no time. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. Get creative, experiment with flavors, and most importantly, have fun in the kitchen. Now, if you enjoyed these recipes, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more incredible cooking tutorials, And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future culinary masterpieces. Until next time, keep cooking like a pro.